Has your Nissan Leaf charging mechanism gear broken? This is a common problem. In the charging lock mechanism, one or two gears usually fail. We solve this issue by creating durable replacement gears made from special engineering-grade plastic. We perform multiple tests, including strength tests with pliers and real-world testing in the actual vehicle. And we are very satisfied with the durability results. You can choose a set of two gears or purchase each gear separately. The gears are supplied in a box and pre-lubricated with special silicone grease. Everything is carefully packaged and shipped to the buyer. And here's the long-awaited result.